Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. So today I want to discuss dyeing your hair from blonde back to dark part 3. All right, so in the second video, I spoke about how to fix your hair if you actually do it wrong and it comes out a little too muddy or a little too greenish or just not a nice, shiny, pretty brown. So if you have that green tint to your hair, what you're gonna need is some kind of color mask. Orange, copper, red, some kind of warm tone mask, preferably like a gold mahogany or a red or an orange, okay? And what you're gonna do with the mask is you're gonna first shampoo your hair 2 or 3 times with like Dawn dish soap or some really strong crappy shampoo like a White Rain or a Prel. You're gonna wanna strip the color out a little bit. Then you're gonna use one of these masks. This is a Color Shine mask from Artego. It's a great mask. It actually reconditions your hair again. If you don't have one of these masks, right, you can use regular conditioner and put a pure pigment in there. I think Paul Mitchell has some direct dyes that you can actually put into a conditioner. Some brands like Pulp Riot or Pravana make reds and oranges like a semi-permanent direct dye that you can add into your hair as well. So that will help kind of cancel out any of that green. Then what you're going to want to do is go back over that hair again with like a warm chocolatey brown or a warm dark brown. This way you kind of neutralize any of that green and your hair is pretty healthy and shiny. So just a quick little recap. You're going to want to shampoo your hair with a really strong shampoo or some kind of dish soap to kind of strip out a little bit of that color. Then use either a conditioning mask with tones in it, red, orange, gold, either a gold mahogany pigment or some kind of other direct dye to kind of warm up your hair a little bit, and then go back over your hair one more time with a warm chocolatey or a warm dark brown, something that's on the warmer side to kind of cancel any of that greenish or matte or mute tones that you got from doing this wrong. So guys, any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below. I hope that tip helped. And again, if you're a little confused by this video, make sure you go back and watch part 1 or part 2 to answer any questions on how to dye your hair from blonde back to dark again. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.